Hi everyone, I am Ayurin Nave, and in this video we are going to learn about how to get API data using Producer in Kafka and how to save that data in HDFS using Flume. So we are going to use here Kafka and Flume together. So we have learned about Flume in our previous videos. So here our step 1 will be to start our Kafka Zookeeper. And as you can see here, we have started our Kafka Zookeeper by using this command. And then our step 2 is to start this server or the broker which we are going to use here, and the first broker is on localhost 9092. And our step 3 is to create a topic named stock life. So by using this command we can make a topic, and by using replication factor we are setting here 1 as replication factor, and we are also setting partitions as 1. And then we are going to write our Python program to get data from API and send through producer. So if I go here, then this is our Python program. So here I am importing CSV request OS time Kafka producer and JSON dumps, and this is for environment variable for our keys and all. So here first I am declaring bootstrap servers as localhost 9092 as I have told you earlier. And in this producer variable we are setting Kafka producer and we are giving it bootstrap servers. Then we are giving it value serializer. So it is nothing but to dump our data. It is a data serializer. And then we have passed here key os.getEnv we have used to get our key from this .env file. And then this is a URL to get the intraday extended this stock for company IBM, and our time interval will be 1 minute. So in every 1 minute it will be, for every 1 minute it will be updated. And then we are passing here key which is saved in this key variable. And then we are using this URL to get, and then we are decoding the content which is in download.content.decode, and then we are giving the cursor as a csv.reader file, and delimiter will be comma, and then I am converting it to list, and then I am sending that to the stock life topic which you have created here. And then for every data we send there, every message we send there, this will be printed which is message published. Okay, and our time interval will be 1 second for each message after publishing. And then we have to create a consumer file. Here it is easy, it is very easy one. So from here, from Kafka we are going to import Kafka consumer, and then we are going to set Kafka consumer to stock life topic, and then here also we are going to print our data over here. And let's see what is our next step is. So Python program for consumer, we have seen that. And then this is our Python Flume configuration file, we can say it's a Flume configuration file. So here we have set source as Kafka source 1, channel as HDFS channel 1, sync as HDFS sync 1, and then here we are using this source type as Kafka source because we are getting it from Kafka. And then we are going to give it Zookeeper which is 2181, and the topic name which is stock life. Our batch size is 100, and this is the destination where our data is going to saved. And that's all, and other things are more or less same only as you have seen earlier. And then we will start the Flume agent. So now first let's run our consumer. I will say run all, using Python. So now our consumer is running, and now we are going to run our producer. So it will be giving our data to consumer. So my internet connection was off, that's why it was giving me this error. So now let's run it again. So now as you can see, it is saying message published, and our messages are getting published over here in the consumer. And then we are going to run our Flume. So this is our Flume agent. I just copy this. And I'll just paste it over here, and I'll run it. And now this is going to save our data into the HDFS. So I will show you. So as you can see here, our these files are getting saved over here, which is our stock data. And as you can see, this is the current file which is putting over here using Flume. I will show you one file. So as you can see, this is our data over here, and this is being saved into our HDFS directly. So that's it for this video guys. Thank you for your time.